Welcome back to Health Bulletin. Join us for another informative episode about breakthrough treatments for blindness.
LambdaVision is developing the first protein-based artificial retina,
with the objective of providing meaningful vision to people who are blind
or have lost significant sight due to advanced retinal degenerative diseases.
That's also include retinitis pigmentosa and age-related macular degeneration.
The drug company was founded in 2009 with the mission to develop a protein-based artificial retina for patients with RP.
Also, blindness due to any genetic disease and AMD, a leading cause of blindness in people over the age of 55, which is a leading cause of blindness in people over the age of 55.
However, the manufacturing process of this retina, which involves placing 200 paper-thin layers of a light-sensitive protein in a polymer mesh, that has to be perfectly even for it to work properly, is complicated to say the least and difficult to execute on Earth.
In late 2018, the company turned to the International Space Station in the hopes that the microgravity there could help.
LambdaVision has been working with the ISS, NASA, and Space Tango to explore how microgravity could improve their complex manufacturing process. What are the difficulties? Earth's gravity has proven to be an obstacle in LambdaVision's manufacturing process of the retina. This is because the gravity on Earth can cause particles to settle or liquids to evaporate, leading to imperfections and increasing the instability of the artificial retina. In space, you get nice, even layers of the protein with less wasted material. The protein-based artificial retina would mimic the light-absorbing properties of human photoreceptors and replace the function of the damaged cells in the retinas of blind patients. LambdaVision's artificial retina is lightweight and only as big as a paper hole punch.
As per the report, if everything goes according to plan, it will be ready for human testing in 3 to 4 years.
Thanks for watching.